It's Saturday morning, and where are we going? Kenta, where are we going?
Ice cream.
We're going to get ice cream. Nina, where are we going?
To a farmer's market.
Yeah, to the farmer's market, Kento. But there are vendors who are selling ice cream and other goods. So we're going to head to the farmer's market from now. お客さんは customers って言います。そして売ってる人のことを vendors って言います。And we're at the farmer's market, so we're going to leave our bikes here to the side. And we're gonna buy some fruits and maybe veggies and also get ice cream. They're selling live crabs. Kento, can you say, "Can I have this?"
Can I have this?
Yes.
Oh.
Can you put it in? Oh, that's a big one and it's sort of bruised. Let's find another one. Does that look good? Yeah, that looks good. Okay, Kento, can you put it in the bag? Thank you. She's gonna pay for the fruits. So here's the scale.
$7.
Thank you. These are aged pears. And then there's nectarines and peaches. So these are the fruits that are in season. In season っていうのは旬っていう意味です。These are the fruits in season. So Kenta wants to eat udon, so we're gonna get some udon. We're gonna buy eggs too.
Chocolate small.
Yay, you got your chocolate ice cream. So Dad wants a tea.
The first one or the bottom one? The last one.
So what did you order?
Wonder.
日本語だとジャスミンって言うけど、英語だとジャスミン。We got a spoon, an extra spoon, because the kids are gonna split their regular size ice cream. スプーン欲しい時とか他の何か欲しい時は Can I have 使います。So this is chocolate smoke flavor. A little more bitter?
Yeah.
Yeah. Kento, it's not yours. So what did you get?
Jasmine.
This is a reusable cup. Oh, Rina.
そこからシュって飲んでよく
Yeah, just sip it. I guess it's very bitter.
飲んでみたい。
There's lime in it.
あ、美味しいじゃんこれ。ほらケント
I'm
飲んで
guessing it's sour and bitter.
美味しいよ。
We ordered one tea here and we really like it, so we're gonna order a couple more. And we got our next drink. Nina, what's that?
It's matcha latte.
Strawberry matcha latte. Looks really good. There's like crushed strawberries on the bottom, and then there's matcha
And then milk.
and milk. Not everything in the US is super sweet.
We're here.
It's good. Take a sip. Kenta, which one do you like better?
Dina.
Venus?
美味しい。
美味しい？
So we're having lunch or a little snack outside. It's good. It's yummy. It's delicious.